You are stronger than you know. More capable than you ever dreamed. And you are loved more than you could possibly imagine. You don't have to be positive all the time. It's perfectly okay to feel sad, angry, annoyed, frustrated, scared, or anxious. Having feelings doesn't make you a negative person. It makes you human. Mental health is not a destination but a process. It's about how you drive, not where you're going. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Healing doesn't mean the damage never existed. It means the damage no longer controls our lives. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax. Don't let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. You have within you right now everything you need to deal with whatever the world can throw at you. Self-care is how you take your power back. Your mental health is important. Take care of your mind, and the rest will follow. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Recovery is not one and done. It is a lifelong journey that takes place one day, one step at a time. Your mind will answer most questions if you learn to relax and wait for the answer. Sometimes the bad things that happen in our lives put us directly on the path to the best things that will ever happen to us. The strongest hearts have the most scars. You are not a burden. You have a burden, which by definition is too heavy to carry on your own. Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes courage is the quiet voice at the end of the day saying, "I will try again tomorrow." The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Take care of your mind, and your body will thank you. Your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers, or you can grow weeds. You are worth the quiet moment. You are worth the deeper breath. You are worth the time it takes to slow down, be still, and rest. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. The strongest people are those who win battles we know nothing about. The strongest people are those who win battles we know nothing about. Strength doesn't come from what you can do. It comes from overcoming the things you once thought you couldn't. Your mental health is a priority. Your happiness is essential. Your self-care is a necessity. It's okay not to be okay as long as you are not giving up. You don't have to control your thoughts, you just have to stop letting them control you. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. The only way out of the labyrinth of suffering is to forgive. You are not your illness. You have an individual story to tell. You have a name, a history, a personality. Staying yourself is part of the battle. Sometimes the people around you won't understand your journey. They don't need to, it's not for them. It's okay to ask for help. It's okay to talk about it. It's okay to share your feelings. You are not alone. The strongest people are not those who show strength in front of us but those who win battles we know nothing about.